Here I have a drawing of Sans from Undertale. What's he drawn in, you might ask? Well, these are all MIDI notes, meaning they'll make a noise when I press play. And each one of these little tiny squares will make a noise. What does he sound like, you might ask? Well, let's find out. What happens when we press play? What does Sans sound like? Huh. I guess that's what Sans sounds like. But of course, I'm only kidding. Let me fix that for you so you can actually hear what he sounds like. I spent like 2 hours drawing this based off a reference image. Let's figure out what Sans sounds like. 3, 2, 1. Interesting.